It started on a sunny Saturday afternoon when I decided to bring out the shine on my daily driver. Armed with a cheap, big box store rotary buffer, I ended up burning through the clear coat on my hood within minutes. The negative experience taught me a costly lesson about paint correction and the sheer frustration of choosing the right tool. With endless throw sizes, motor wattages, and confusing pad options out there, buying the right car buffer feels like navigating a minefield. To save you from destroying your own paintwork, I've thoroughly tested the top models on the market. In this video, I'll reveal the best car buffers available today to help you achieve a flawless finish. But which one takes the absolute crown? 7. Adams 9mm. When I first unboxed the Adams 9mm dual action polisher, I was genuinely excited by its presentation. It is often sold as a complete kit, coming with everything a weekend warrior might need, including compounds, polishes, and specialized pads. From a purely visual standpoint, the machine looks sleek, and the branding promises a professional-grade experience right out of the box. My initial expectation was that this would be the ultimate grab-and-go solution for anyone wanting to dip their toes into auto detailing without the hassle of piecing together their own setup. Testing the machine on a lightly swirled door panel, the 9mm orbit felt incredibly safe and manageable. Because the dual action motion mimics hand polishing rather than aggressive rotary spinning, the risk of burning the paint is significantly minimized. It glides over the surface with a relatively smooth motion, making it quite forgiving for someone who has never held a polisher before. The rubberized contact points on the grip also felt nice in the hands during the first few minutes of operation, offering a decent amount of control. However, as I moved onto larger panels and applied a bit of necessary pressure for deeper correction, the flaws became glaringly obvious. The machine struggles to maintain pad rotation when you lean into it, causing the dual action motion to stall out and essentially just vibrate in place. This makes removing anything more than the lightest water spots an incredibly frustrating and time-consuming process. I found myself having to constantly adjust my angle and back off the pressure just to keep the pad spinning, which completely ruined my workflow and doubled the time it took to polish a single fender. To make matters worse, the heat management on this unit is highly questionable. After just one heavily oxidized panel, the housing became uncomfortably warm, and I literally had to let the machine cool down for 5 minutes before moving on, fearing it might overheat completely. 6. Maxshine M21 Pro. Stepping up to the Maxshine, I was anticipating a massive leap in efficiency thanks to its aggressive 21mm long throw and beefy 1000 watt motor. On paper, this dual action polisher is designed to cover vast amounts of surface area in record time, making it a favorite for tackling large vehicles like trucks or SUVs. When I initially powered it on and set it down on a wide, flat hood, it definitely moved the compound around quickly. The sheer size of the orbit means you are correcting a much wider path with every pass. The build quality also feels notably heavy-duty, featuring a steel CNC machined counterweight that gives it a solid industrial heft. When working on those expansive, flat sections of paint, the machine powers through moderate swirl marks with relative ease, provided you have the right microfiber or foam pad attached. The progressive trigger allowed me to feather the speed as I spread the polish before locking it in for the heavy cutting phase, which is a feature I usually appreciate in high-end tools. Unfortunately, that massive 21mm throw quickly becomes a nightmare the moment you encounter anything other than a perfectly flat surface. When I transitioned to the curved quarter panels and complex bumper contours, the machine became an absolute beast to control. The large orbit aggressively fights against any curvature, causing the pad to stall violently and making the polisher skip and bounce across the paint. Trying to keep the machine flat on intricate body lines required an exhausting amount of physical exertion, defeating the purpose of its time-saving design. Furthermore, the overall heft and vibration of the M21 Pro led to severe user fatigue much faster than I anticipated. The trigger lock, which is supposed to alleviate hand cramps, felt sticky and sometimes refused to disengage when I needed to stop the machine quickly, a major safety concern when working near delicate trim. 5. Griot's Garage G9. It felt like an absolute breath of fresh air compared to my earlier tests. This machine pairs a very manageable 9mm orbit with a surprisingly robust 1000 watt motor, hitting a sweet spot that feels both safe and incredibly capable. The moment I started correcting a heavily swirled trunk lid, I immediately noticed how beautifully balanced the internal components are. The pad kept spinning effortlessly, even when I applied significant downward pressure to work out a deep scratch. The ergonomics of the G9 are arguably some of the best in the industry. The double-shot rubber platypus head grip is contoured perfectly to accommodate your fingers, allowing you to guide the machine with precision rather than fighting it. I was able to polish for over an hour straight without feeling that familiar tingling numbness in my hands, which speaks volumes about its low vibration engineering. It operates smoothly and quietly, transforming what is usually a loud, grueling chore into a genuinely enjoyable detailing experience. One of my favorite features during testing was the quick connect detachable power cord. It sounds like a minor detail, but not having to wrap a rigid cord around the machine for storage saves so much hassle and prevents the wire from fraying over time. The speed dial is also positioned perfectly so that you can easily adjust the RPMs with your thumb on the fly, whether you are right or left-handed. The constant speed control ensures that the motor doesn't bog down when transitioning from applying wax to heavy compounding. Finally, the cooling system on the G9 deserves a special mention. The fan-cooled counterbalance actively pushes air through the machine and the vented backing plate, keeping both the tool and the polishing pad remarkably cool. 4. Milwaukee M18 FAP180-502X. Stepping into the cordless realm, the Milwaukee completely changes the detailing game. Taking this machine out to the driveway, the sheer freedom of not having to drape an extension cord over my shoulder or worry about dragging a wire across freshly polished paint was liberating. Powered by Milwaukee's M18 battery platform, this tool delivers the kind of uncompromised, heavy-duty performance you typically only expect from a corded rotary machine. When I put it to the test on an older, oxidized clear coat, the brushless motor delivered phenomenal torque. Unlike dual-action polishes, this is a pure rotary tool, meaning it cuts through severe defects, heavy scratches, and deep water spots with astonishing speed. The 8-position variable speed dial allowed me to dial in the perfect RPM, starting slow at 360 RPM to spread the compound without slinging it, and then ramping up to 2,200 RPM to melt away the imperfections perfectly. What truly surprised me was the battery efficiency. I was initially skeptical about a cordless polisher's ability to last, but the battery provided enough runtime to compound and polish an entire vehicle on a single charge. The constant speed electronics ensured that as the battery drained, the tool didn't lose RPMs or bog down under load. The rubber overmold on the gear case also made it incredibly comfortable to hold vertically when working on doors and side panels. Durability is exactly what you would expect from the Milwaukee brand. It features a removable dust screen that prevents compound dust and debris from getting sucked into the motor, which is a brilliant touch for longevity. The 3-position bail handle provides excellent leverage and control, allowing you to easily manage the immense rotational force. If you need serious, professional-grade cutting power without being tethered to a wall outlet, this machine is an absolute powerhouse. 3. BATOCA B08SJXDZBZ. The BATOCA was a highly anticipated test for me, as it represents a new wave of affordable, battery-operated dual-action polishers. Right out of the gate, its lightweight footprint and ergonomic design made an excellent first impression. It completely eliminates the cord management issue, but utilizes a dual-action orbit, making it far safer for beginners than a traditional rotary tool. Setting it up to apply a layer of synthetic sealant was an absolute breeze. During operation, I was genuinely impressed by the integration of its LCD screen. This display clearly shows your current operating speed and remaining battery life, taking the guesswork out of your detailing session. I could easily monitor my power levels and tap the intuitive buttons to adjust the 6 speed settings as I move from light polishing to waxing. The machine runs with surprisingly low vibration, allowing me to easily guide it over the vehicle's curves with just one hand. In terms of paint correction, it holds its own remarkably well. While it might not have the raw, aggressive cutting power of a heavy-duty corded machine, the orbit size and motor efficiency are more than sufficient for removing medium swirl marks, holograms, and oxidation. I tested it with a microfiber cutting pad and a medium compound, and it left a brilliant, haze-free finish on a dark-colored hood. It perfectly bridges the gap between convenience and effective dual-action performance. The biggest advantage is its continuous operation capability. The kit thoughtfully includes 2 batteries, meaning you can have one on the charger while you are using the other. I never experienced a moment of downtime during my entire detailing process. Swapping the batteries takes seconds, and the tool balances the weight of the battery perfectly at the rear, making it feel nimble rather than bottom-heavy. 2. Chemical Guys TORQX. The Chemical Guys TORQX has long been considered a staple in the detailing community. After putting it through its paces, it is easy to see why. This machine is built around an 8mm dual-action throw, which is widely regarded as the ultimate sweet spot for safely correcting paint, spreading glazes, and applying waxes. When I first turned it on, the smooth, gentle hum of the motor immediately conveyed a sense of reliability and precision manufacturing. Taking it to a highly sensitive, soft black paint job, the TORQX performed flawlessly. The 8mm orbit ensures that the pad doesn't generate excessive heat or friction, making it virtually impossible to burn through the clear coat, even if you accidentally linger on one spot for too long. It effortlessly massaged the polish into the surface, erasing swirl marks and leaving behind a mirror-like depth that looked incredibly professional. The machine feels completely balanced, doing all the hard work for you. The build quality is remarkably rugged, encased in a tough, durable shell that feels like it can survive years of accidental drops and heavy garage use. The variable speed dial is perfectly placed right at your fingertips, clicking definitively into each setting, so you always know exactly how much power you are delivering. I was particularly impressed by how it integrates its power band. The motor smoothly delivers torque without aggressively jerking in your hands upon startup. Even when leaning into the machine to tackle a stubborn scratch, the TORQX refuses to bog down. The internal mechanisms manage the power delivery so consistently that the pad maintains its rotation flawlessly. It is incredibly compact and easy to maneuver around tight spots like side mirrors, A-pillars, and intricate bumper grills. It stands as one of the most reliable, easy to use, and consistently excellent polishers I have ever had the pleasure of testing. 1. AVID Power Dual. When I first gripped the included D handle and powered it up, the immediate surge of its high-performance motor told me this tool meant business. It easily rivals machines that cost 3 times as much, offering a premium detailing experience without the premium price tag. Putting it to the ultimate test on a severely neglected, heavily scratched hood, the AVID Power didn't just survive, it thrived. Utilizing the 6-speed control dial, I ramped it up to the highest setting for heavy compounding. The dual-action orbit cut through years of environmental damage and deep scratches with shocking efficiency. Then, by simply dialing the speed down and switching to a soft foam pad, it finished the paint down to a flawless, jewelry-like gloss without leaving a single micro mar or hologram behind. The comfort level of this polisher is second to none. It comes with both a D handle and a side handle, allowing you to completely customize your grip based on your personal preference or the specific panel you are working on. I found that this adaptability drastically reduced my arm fatigue, letting me maintain perfect pad pressure from the roof all the way down to the rocker panels. The rubberized body grips ensure that your hands never slip, even when covered in slick detailing products. What solidifies this as my absolute top pick is its unwavering reliability. Throughout hours of rigorous testing, the motor stayed cool, the pad rotation never stalled, and the power delivery remained perfectly smooth. It is tough enough for professional paint correction, but approachable enough for a complete novice. If you want flawless results, exceptional durability, and the best overall polishing experience in the garage, the AVID Power Dual Action Polisher is undoubtedly the king. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.